Hi guys, and welcome to this faded sound Serum tutorial with me, Luke, aka the track producer Gold Top. Today we're going to be looking at this sound. There's a kind of vocal Daft Punky lead. Okay, so first things first, go to your menu tab and select the init preset. Now in oscillator A, going to select the wavetable, basic shapes. Scroll through the wavetable position till you get to this kind of triangle saw, which should sound like this. Now, you could add a sub oscillator if you want. I'm going to at this point. Sine wave, put it down 1 octave and turn it down just about 50%. Maybe down a little bit more. I'm going to set this sound up voicing wise in mono so that the notes don't overlap with each other. And now the thing that gives this sound the vocal effect is the filter. So we're going to turn on the filter, make sure oscillator A is being routed through it and your sub oscillator. And now go to the menu, MISC, and either format 1, 2 or 3. I like 1, but it's up to you, you can experiment with all of them. And now it should sound like this. So there's that kind of vocal sound coming through. Now we need to modulate this and the resonance to really bring out that effect. So you take LFO1, drag it to the cutoff. And now this part is really up to you. It's about experimenting to find what you think works best. And then LFO1 and drag it to the resonance. Now I found that it worked best kind of like this. And put the drive up just a little bit. Now LFO wise, I think we're going to want to trigger it and just slow it down a bit. Maybe a little bit faster, maybe half a bar. Okay, great. Now in the effects section, I'm going to add a distortion. Put the drive up to about 50%. A hyperdimension. I'm going to want the distortion before the hyperdimension. Maybe put the mix up a little bit. Just to give it some space. Going to go into the compressor, select multi-band, up the gain just a bit. Which really brings out those highs nicely. And then depending on what you're doing with the sound, a reverb and adjust it accordingly. The basic sound, it's up to you how you experiment with it from here. You could maybe put it in legato and up the port time to get some glide between the sounds, between the notes. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that. And thanks a lot.